Welcome back to another National Real Estate Exam Prep. And today we're going to talk about forms of ownership. More specifically, we're going to go over 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. Which of these is not a form of co ownership? Ownership and severalty. Ownership and severalty is property ownership by a single individual or legal entity. Tenancy in common allows multiple individuals to hold undivided fractional interest in the same property. Tenancy by the entirety is joint ownership for married couples, where the surviving spouse automatically gains full ownership upon the death of the other. Community property refers to property acquired during a marriage with equal ownership shared between both spouses. Which of these about a condominium is false? Each owner has a proprietary lease with the association for her own unit. In a condominium, each owner holds a fee simple title to their individual unit and shares ownership of the common elements as a tenant in common with the other unit owners. Each owner receives a separate real estate tax statement and is responsible for property insurance on their unit, as described in the condominium declaration. The condominium association provides insurance for the common elements. In a cooperative, owners do not own their units directly, but hold a proprietary lease with ownership structured through shares in a cooperative corporation. Under the old common law, who could terminate an estate at will? The lessor and the lessee. Under traditional common law, either the landlord, the lessor, or the tenant, lessee, could terminate an estate at will at any time. An estate at will is a leasehold estate of possession. Some states now prohibit this type of leasehold or require notice before termination. A will is a legal document that directs how a person's assets will be dispersed after death. A divisor is the person leaving real estate through a will, while the devisee is the person who inherits the real estate after the divisor's death. A life estate conveys to the life tenant ownership for life. A conventional life estate is a freehold estate that lasts for the lifetime of the life tenant and is created by a voluntary agreement between parties. A legal life estate arises by operation of law, such as a spouse's dower rights upon the death of the other spouse. A periodic tenancy is a less than freehold estate that grants the right of possession from period to period, such as a year to year. A revisionary interest exists when the creator of a life estate retains the right to regain a fee simple estate once the life estate ends. When defining ownership estates, the term estate refers to a person's legal right in the land or property. In property ownership, the term estate refers to a person's legal rights of interest in land, including rights of possession, transfer, and encumber the property, depending on the type of estate. Estates are not based on the physical size or value of the land. A fee simple estate is the highest form of estate in the land, providing the maximum rights available to the owner. All right, this was 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe because we drop a new video every week to help you pass your national real estate exam.